Macro traders and investors, here we are, and I'm Domenico, and I bring you today my institutional vision on global markets. Get ready because today we are analyzing Anthropic and Dfinity's game changing collaboration, Cloud 4 meets ICP to revolutionize decentralized AI apps. Yo, what if I told you that you could build a full blown Web3 app just by talking? No coding skills, no tech degree, just you, your ideas, and a conversation. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, buckle up because Anthropic and Dfinity are making this a reality with their mind-blowing collaboration on Caffeine AI, powered by Cloud 4 and the Internet Computer Protocol, or what we call ICP. Give me that caffeine. This is the future of decentralized app development, and it's happening now. Stick with me because I'm about to break it all down in a way that will blow your mind off the charts. Let's dive into why this partnership between Anthropic and Dfinity is a total game changer for devs, creators, and anyone like me who has ever dreamed of building their own app. All right, let's set the stage. I'm obsessed with testing AI systems because they're key to unlocking the future of what innovation is all about. And let me tell you, Anthropic's Cloud 4 architecture is straight up impressive. It's just not another chat box, it is a reasoning powerhouse that can handle complex tasks from coding to creative problem solving. But what happens when you take that kind of AI muscle and pair it with Definity's Internet Computer Protocol? You get Caffeine AI, a platform that's about to redefine how we build apps in the Web3 space. Here's the deal, guys. Definity's ICP is a third generation blockchain that's basically an extension of the internet itself. It's decentralized, tamper proof, and designed to let dApps run at lightning speed. Combine that with Cloud 4 advanced language models, and you get a platform where anyone, yes, anyone, even your grandmother, can create production ready Web3 apps just by talking. No coding skills needed. No shadow middlemen needed. Just you and your ideas brought to life at chat speed. So, how does this actually work? Let's break it down. Definity's Caffeine AI uses Cloud 4's reasoning capabilities to turn your natural language of whatever you speak, like literally the words you're saying, into a fully functional Web3 application. Imagine saying, hey, build me an online store for my sneaker brand with payment integration, and boom, within minutes, you've got a working app complete with a companion mobile version. This isn't some basic code generator. It's leveraging ICP's unique canister architecture. Think of these as programmable on chain containers that can deploy and modify apps in real time. Check this out. You say, add a feature to let users track their orders. The AI listens, writes a code, and upgrades your app instantly. And because it's running on ICP, it's fully decentralized, secure, and tamper proof. No one can mess with your app or your data. This is why Definity calls a self writing internet, and it's a total paradigm shift, total game changer. Now, let's talk about why this is such a big deal. First off, this partnership is tackling one of the biggest problems in crypto and Web3 trust. We've all heard about rug pulls, shady influencers, and projects that vanish overnight, just like a ghost. Caffeine AI flips the script by putting the power directly into your hands. You don't need to rely on some sketchy developer or some so called key opinion leader to build your project. With Cloud 4 and ICP, you're the developer now. You're in full control. Definity's vision is wild. They want to turn the world's 5 billion smartphone users into app developers. And they're not kidding around. The alpha release of Caffeine AI already lets you create apps in minutes, and they're working to make it even simpler. This is about democratizing app creation. And whether you're a small business owner or a content creator or just someone with a killer idea, you can build something real without needing a computer science degree. And I have a few amazing ideas that I'm going to build when I do get my code in September to start building with caffeine. And also all the feedback that I've heard from on X with the other people that have subscribed to Caffeine to get their code, they've all given really, really positive feedback in building their apps because Dfinity aims to expand the number of devs from 50 million to 5 billion. And it's only a matter of time. Let's get nerdy for a second. The tech behind this is what makes it so exciting. Anthropic's Claude 4 is a beast when it comes to reasoning and coding. It can process entire code bases up to 1 million tokens of context. Basically, it's like handling 750,000 words or 75,000 lines of code in one go. That means it understands your project's full architecture, not just bits and pieces. And that's what makes it entirely in depth. Now, pair that with ICP's canister architecture. These canisters are super smart on chain wallets that can hold code, data, and even Bitcoin transactions. They're programmable, secure, and run on a fully decentralized network. So your app is always live and always safe. And because Cloud4 is integrated into this environment, it can reason through your requests, write the code, and deploy it directly on chain. This is the world's first truly decentralized AI development platform, first of its kind. So, what's the future look like? This collaboration is just the beginning. Anthropic and Dfinity are paving the way for a world where anyone can build a secure, decentralized app without jumping through hoops. No more gatekeepers and no more scams. Just pure, creative potential unleashed through conversational AI. And here's the kicker. As Cloud4 gets smarter and as ICP's infrastructure grows, this platform is only going to get faster, simpler, and a lot more powerful. We're just at the beginning. And the feedback with the developers that have already built it, there's like 700 developers that have built with Cafeno, and they say it's amazing. And we're just at the start. Like the capabilities, we haven't even seen a percentage of the capabilities of what it's going to offer in the next 2, 3, 5 years. This is just, we're just at the cusp. And imagine a world, guys, where you can launch a startup, create a game, or build a community platform just by chatting with an artificial intelligence. That's the vision here. And with Anthropic's focus on safe, reliable AI and Definity's tamper-proof blockchain, you can trust that your app is built on a foundation of security and fairness. All right, fam, this is huge. Anthropic and Decentralized are rewriting the rules of app development, and you do not want to miss out. If you're hyped about, as I am, about Caffeine AI, and I can't wait to get my code, what does this mean for you? What does this mean for the future of Web3? Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and drop in the comments if you have any good ideas that you want to develop with Caffeine AI. And tell me what kind of app you like to build as we all are going to become devs. It all gives us hope. So check out the Dfinity website, which I have linked out, and Anthropic's Cloud 4 to learn more. Links in the description. Let's build the future together. Thanks for watching. Check out for more videos on ICP and AI in Web3, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.